Welcome to EduCourse tutorial, and today our topic is mirror formula for concave mirror. Okay, as we know, concave mirror is reflecting from inside and opaque from outside. Okay, so assume that this is our concave mirror and this side of concave mirror is reflecting while the other side is polished side, or we can say that it is opaque side. Okay, now we draw a principal axis which will passes through the center of this mirror, which is known as P, and radius of curvature, which is known as C, and half of the distance from P to C is known as focus F. Okay, let us assume that a object AB is placed beyond C. Now a ray which is going parallel to the principal axis, and after reflecting from this concave mirror, this ray will passes through the focus F. Okay, like this, and a second ray which is incident on the pole. Here the angle of incidence and angle of reflection will be the same. Okay, again let us assume a ray which is passing through the center of curvature, and as we know, a ray which is passing through the center of curvature and after reflecting, it retraces its original path. Okay, so here where all these ray AD, AP and AE are passing through a point or crossing each other at a point, let us rename it by H. So this point where these all rays form the image. Okay, so this image will be inverted and real. Okay, so this is our diagram. A dash B dash is the real image of A B, and as we know, real images are inverted. Okay, now we will derive mirror formula by using this diagram. Okay, here PB is the distance of object from the pole. Okay, which can be written as U, and we have already studied about the sign convention. So according to sign convention, the distance from the distance on the left side are written as negative. Okay, so here PB is equal to minus U. Okay, and the distance of image from the pole PB dash can be written as minus of V. PF can be written as minus of F. PC can be written as minus R. Okay, now these are the sign convention we will use further. Now assume that the triangle ABC. Okay, so if we see triangle ABC, these triangle ABC and triangle A dash B dash C. So in both of the triangle, angle BAC and angle A dash CB are equal, and AB and A dash B dash are parallel to each other. So in this way, these angles will be alternating angles. So we can say that if three angles of if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the triangles are said to be similar. So in this way, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle A dash B dash C. Okay, so according to this theorem, according to this, if two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional by Thales theorem. Okay, so we can write it as AB divided by A dash B dash, which will be equal to the ratio BC to the B dash C. Okay, now this distance BC can be written as PB minus PC. Okay, so we can write it as PB minus PC, and the distance B dash C can be written as PC minus PB dash, PC minus PB dash. Okay, so this is our first equation. Again, here again the triangle ABP, we are assuming now this triangle ABP is similar to the triangle A dash B dash and P. Okay, so this triangle ABP is similar to the triangle A dash B dash and P. So as we know, this triangle, these two triangles will also similar, because here angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection. Okay, and AB and A dash B dash are parallel, so here it will form 90-degree angle. Okay, so two angles are same, then third angle will also be same. If two angles are equal, then third angle is also equal. So we can write it as triangle ABP will be similar to triangle A dash B dash and P. So again we can write as AB divided by A dash B dash will be equal to BP divided by B dash P. Okay, this is our equation second. So from equation first and second, we can write at it is as AB divided by A dash B dash. These two equations will be equal to each other, so we can write it as PB minus PC divided by PC minus PB dash will be equal to BP divided by B dash P. Okay, now PB, what is PB is minus U, what is PC? PC is minus R. So here minus sign is already present, it will becomes minus minus plus. Okay, so it will be plus R divided by minus R, and here PB dash is minus V, so minus minus plus it will be V. PB is minus U and PB dash is minus of V. Okay, these minus minus sign will cancel each other, and after cross multiplication it will gives us minus UV plus VR will be equal to minus UR plus UV. Okay, so VR plus UR will be equal to UV plus UV. Okay, and we know R is equal to 2F, so we can write it as taking 2F, write it as 2VF plus 2UF is equal to 2UV, taking 2 common from both the side, so 2 will be cancelled out, so we can write it as VF plus UF is equal to UV, dividing this equation by UVF from both side, UVF, we will get here VF will cancel out by VF, UF will be cancelled out by UF, and UV will cancel out by UV, so it will gives us 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. Okay, 1 by f, which is